everybody, welcome to part 2 of the unboxing train series. I guess that's what I can call it. If you have a better title, please suggest it down in the comments below. But anyway, let's get right to it. So instead of going into like this intro, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So just so you know, there's gonna be a huge amount of comments telling me about what you think of it. So this is an E7. It's got it's a little bit different than the E6. The E7 was the same horsepower but had a different type of engine in there. So I want to know what you guys think. So I got the if you guys read that right, it says Baltimore and Ohio on the side there. And so you might be thinking, well, what does that mean? Well, it's the B&O. Yes, you heard that right, guys. It's the B&O Railroad. Yes, the B&O did exist back then. So this is a really nice locomotive. I like these, but I tested it in a video, which I'll have later. But anyway, let's get it right out of the box. I don't want to make too much of a mess here. Okay, let's try pushing this out like this. I don't want to wreck it too much. It's a little bit accumulating off screen there. It's a little bit interesting. Careful not to cut this off here. Okay, so this is number 78. It's got the front and rear. I'm not sure what that's for, but I bet if you want to convert it to DCC, which this is DC, but if you want to convert it to DCC, this is how you would remember how to do it. I don't know who put that there, but I bet it was somebody that owned this locomotive before me. In case you wonder who that might be, probably Gorge guys out there. Columbia Gorge guys, rather. That's number 84. So, yeah, it's a little bit personal, but anyway, that's just one of the locomotives he had. In fact, this one has my number on it, but this one does not. It doesn't have anything on it, in fact. So I haven't put my number on that one. So another one. I'm not going to do it again because you've seen it before. But anyway, same thing. This is number 66. So let's get right. So again, that's the 3 locomotives, the types of locomotives I got recently. So in part 3, we're going to be talking about these 4 locomotives. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 3, and this is Cody 3751. Ride safe.